Hello everyone, I am Michael from Scanology. Welcome to our unboxing of NimbleTrack Gen2, a fully wireless and mobile optical 3D scanning system. NimbleTrack Gen2 keeps all the key features of the NimbleTrack series. Completely wireless, no markers, high precision and highly portable, while upgrading both the tracker and the 3D scanner. Now you can switch smoothly between three modes: optical tracking mode, scanner only, or tracking only for large area scans. Right in front of me is the protective case for the NimbleTrack Gen2. Let's open it up and see what's inside. NimbleTrack Gen2 consists of a tracker, and 3D scanner. The tracker locates the scanner's position by following markers on the scanner. The new tracker can work as a 3D scanner with 27 laser crosses that let you scan parts on its own. In addition, we are also equipped with cable hub, USB cables, power adapters, dongle boxes, wireless routers, wireless network cards, battery chargers, etc.